Hey! In front of me is XIAOMI 11T Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can use App Lock on this device. Start by opening Settings and scrolling down. Now choose Apps and click on App Lock. Then select Turn On and tap on Change Password. Over here, pick one of the login methods for your apps by tapping on the chosen one. Then enter it and repeat it. When you're ready, select Next at the bottom right corner, and if you wish to add your Me account, you can do that by clicking on this green button. But I don't want to, so I will go with Not Now, and then click Not Now again in this pop-up after 5 seconds. If you wish to close all of those apps, you can click Use App Lock right away, but I don't want to, so I have to click on every one of them and tap Use App Lock then. If you wish to use your fingerprint to unlock your apps, go into Settings and follow the instructions. I will go with Cancel though, and now I can finally click on the switchers next to apps that I wish to clone, like Gallery. So now when I go back and try to access Gallery, I can see that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!